Hello everyone, welcome back to BIMGen. In the last video, we discussed in detail how to create a face-based family. But in this video, we are going to discuss how to convert any single hosted family like wall hosted, roof hosted or floor hosted family into face-based family. This video will be contain how does single hosted family will work or act in project, and why need of convert from single hosted family into face-based family, and at the end I will show practically how to convert a single hosted family into face-based family. Let's open Revit software to explain in detail. Now we are in Revit software interface. First I will open a sample Revit project to show how floor base, roof base and face based families will work. I will open a sample project by clicking here open. Here we have a sample architectural file. So I'll just click on that one and I'll open the file. Now we are in floor plan. You can see here level 1. You guys can see here this is architectural project, and I will add a section box to see objects inside the building. Section box view. You guys can see here simple architectural model. Now I will load variety of hosting families into the project and we will check how those family will work. I will go to family file location. Here few families are there, different face hosted families. In architecture you can see here skylight is there, roof base family. I will load this family into project and I will load few single hosted families by going to insert here. From insert I will go to load families, and here few families are there. I will load this skylight. This is roof based. Just I will select that file and I will click on open. Similarly I will load few other families. Here face based electric box is there, that will also I will load into the project. Similarly I will load two other families. This one is mechanical equipment floor based. Now I loaded three families: floor base, wall base and roof base. I will explain one by one. First I will take roof base family. For roof base we loaded skylight. Now I will place that skylight family in the project. I will take that family. I will select this family and I will place on a roof. Because of this is a roof based family, you cannot place anywhere rather than roof. See, if I select floor, you cannot place. It's showing you cannot place family here. On table, no. On ceiling also you cannot place this family. On wall also you cannot. But you can place only on roof. This is the limitation for single host family. Similarly, I will show two other different elements that we have loaded before. For better explanation, I place separate elements here. Focus on these elements. I will take other two families. Just I'll go to system here and I'll select device electric fixture. So this is a switch that is wall based. If I select this switch to place on the project, I can place this switch only on wall. You can see here this is a wall. I can place here in this wall, but if I select floor, it won't work on floor. Similarly, if I select ceiling, on ceiling also it won't show. We cannot place. On roof also we cannot place this switch because this is a wall based family. You can place these fixtures on only wall. And I will take another family that we loaded previously. Just I'll go to floor plan here and I'll select mechanical equipment. So this is a floor based family. This family we can place only on floors. We cannot place this family on any other surface. Just I'll select this family to place, and see this is a floor. I can place on floor. Just I'll go to 3D here. So this is a floor. I can place on floor, but we cannot place on roof. Also we cannot place on wall or any ceiling. It will show avoid sign. Only we can place this family on floor. In such a case, if we have one family that is wall based, but we want to place that family on roof, ceiling as well as floor, in such a situation we don't need to create a new family, similar kind of new family. Just we can convert that single hosted family into multiple hosted family like face based family. That one I will explain in very simple method. I will close this sample project. The first step to convert any hosted family into face based family, we need to open a new project. I'll just click on OK. Now we need to open a new project. I'll go to 3D view and I will place a wall. If that is wall based family, we have to place a wall. Now I will load that family that you want to convert from wall base to face base. You can load that family by insert and load into family, or you can drag directly into the project. Just I will drag that family direct into the project. Just I'll go to file location and I will drag this wall base switch into project. I loaded that wall base switch into project. Now I will place here on a wall. And the second step, save this project. Save as project I will save it as a project 1 and I will close this file. Now we came back into the Revit interface, and third step is again we have to open new file. I'll click on OK and I'll go to 3D. This file is empty, and fourth step is we have to link that project 1 file into this file. For that one I'll go to here, insert, and I'll select here Revit link because that is Revit file, and I will select this project 1 file and I will click on open. Now that file, project 1 file, came into the project 2 file. You can see this is a link because we linked that file. Now I will just rotate the object. This is a wall-based switch and this is a Revit link file. The next step is we have to go to collaborate tab here and we have to select here copy monitor option, and here it will ask for two options. One is use current project and select link. Just we have one link. I will select link and I will select this file link. You have to select copy and then select the object do you want to convert face base. Just I'll select this switch and I will give finish here. Now we can select that family. You can see here, and this is a link. I will select this family and I will right click on my mouse and I will select here create similar. So when I select a create similar, you guys can see here it's converted into face base. Before it was not a face base, it was only wall base family. Now I can place on any face. And the last step, this is very important. If you won't do this one, it won't act as a face base family in your project. Select that family that you converted and go to edit family here and save as this family with a different name, and I will provide it as a face base. And I'll click on save. Now I did save this family as a face base family. Once again I'll open that sample project to show how that family will work. Now I opened sample project. I will load that family into this project. You can see here one is wall base is there. Before we checked with the wall base, just now only we saved with the face base switch. I will select that family and I will drag into the project. Here you can see that switch face base. Before it was wall based, now it is face base. We can place here this wall. You can place on floor. You can place on ceiling. You can place on roof. So this is how we convert any hosted family into face based family. Similarly, I will show for other two elements. I will close all the file. Once again, I will open project 1 file and I'll click on open. Before we converted only switch, now I will show other two elements also. For that one, I have to place floor and roof. First I'll select floor and I'll place a basic floor and I'll click on OK. Similarly, I'll place a roof. I'll select roof and I'll place a 2 part here. Now I will load other two families, that is floor base and roof base, and I will place floor base family on floor and roof base family on roof, and I will save this project once again and I will close it. And now I will open another new project file and I'll go to 3D here and I will load that project 1 into this project. Now I will go to collaborate tab here and I will select copy monitor. Under copy monitor I will choose select link and I will select the Revit link, and here I will go to tool tab and I will select copy option and I will select the element that you want to convert into face base. I will select this equipment and this switch both and click on finish. Now you can see, just select the link and you can delete, otherwise you can go to manage tab here and click on manage link. Here links are there, Revit, under Revit project is there, and I will select and I will remove this link from project. Now you can see both element came. I will select the switch and I will right click on the switch. You can see here create similar. When I will create a similar element, you can see here face base. Similarly, if I select this mechanical equipment, before it was floor base. If I create similar, you can see here it is also a face base. This is how we can create any single host base family into face base. If you have any query, please leave in comment box, and if you want to learn how to create face base family, just check my previous video. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell notification icon so that you guys can get a notification whenever I will upload a new video. And check description box, there I have given Instagram and Facebook link. If you are interested, please follow me there. Thank you.